Hello everyone, my name is Richa and welcome once again on my YouTube channel. Today, through this video, we are going to learn about different phrases which you must know for your IELTS speaking section. But before starting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest IELTS updates and don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. In the IELTS speaking section, you may experience that you are required to express the same idea quite number of times. In that case, you must know these phrases in order to avoid the repetition of the words. Here, we are going to cover the different phrases in case you want to give an explanation, or you want to make a suggestion, or you want to express your like or dislike for something. The first phrase which you can use for giving an explanation is firstly, followed by your explanation. Secondly, followed by your explanation. For example, firstly, they are not efficient, and secondly, they are expensive to make. Next phrase is one reason is. One reason is they are not efficient to work with, followed by your answer. Next phrase is that's why I think so. For example, they are being inefficient and expensive, that's why I think so, followed by your idea. In most of the cases, it is more appropriate to use this phrase at the end of your answer. Next phrase is consequently. It is inefficient and expensive, consequently I never liked it. The next phrase which we can use to further support your explanation is that's why. That's why you use it for emergencies or urgencies. Or as a result of. Lots of fishes and other sea creatures had died as a result of oil spilling. Or you can say because of. Several children are away from school because of this pandemic. Or you can say it's possible due to. Many stores experienced shortage of goods across countries. It was possibly due to panic buying by people during the pandemic this year. Or one of the common phrase is it may be because of. It may be because of the way that I was taught in school. Or you can use it may come from the fact that. It may come from the fact that there were not enough resources. Now let's have a look on the different phrases which you can use to support your answers in the IELTS speaking section while making a suggestion. To begin with, I think we should. I think we should give preference to local business in this difficult time. It would be a good idea to support local business than promoting online stores. What about? What about suggesting new ways of promoting local business to local council? One idea would be to create awareness among citizens about the potential benefits of buying from local businesses for next few months. Or you can say, one thing we could do would be to promote local businesses is to create awareness campaign. Now comes the phrases for in case you want to show your like or dislike for something. To begin with, I like swimming in the sea. I love eating ice cream in the summer. I adore sunbathing at the beach. I am fond of dark chocolate. The next phrase to express your dislike is I'm not a great fan. I'm not a great fan of football. I dislike wasting time. I'm interested or not interested. For example, I'm interested in participating in drawing competition. Or simply I'm not interested in participating in drawing competition. I am keen or not keen. I am keen on classical music. It is very important that you should practice your answers using different phrases for the same expression, as it will help you to impress the examiner with the range of vocabulary and further boost your score. In case you find the content in this video helpful, don't forget to drop your feedback in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me on fb.com/unlockieltswithricha. For more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and share this video for the other IELTS aspirants. Until then, all the best.